How to preview your tax return online on H&R Blogs. Are you eager to preview your tax return online using H&R Blogs platform? You are in deep luck. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step to preview your tax return online hassle-free. So let's begin. Open your web browser and navigate to the following link that says H&R Blog Tax Return Preview Guide. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the process of previewing your tax return online. Once on the web page, look for the section titled How do you preview your tax return online? This section will provide you with step-by-step instruction. Sign in to your H&R Blog account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, then you'll need to create one by accessing your tax return. After signing in, navigate to the section of your account where you can view tax return. This may be labeled as My Account or Tax Returns. Locate the option to preview your tax return. This could be presented as Preview Return or View Return. Click on the Preview Return or similar button to initiate your preview process. Your tax return will be displayed on the screen for you to review. If you notice any errors, you may have the option to make corrections directly with the preview mode. Once you have reviewed your tax return, and if you are satisfied with the information, then you can proceed with filing your taxes online using H&R Blogs platform. And this was everything you needed to know about previewing your tax return online on H&R Blog. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.